population of a species no longer exists, scientists refer to a species of animal or plant as extinct if the last of its kind has already died. Species that are extinct or are on the verge of extinction. Ever since humans have been able to identify pathogenic microorganisms that cause disease, they have found creative means to fight against and destroy these species. Thus, today, some of these diseases have virtually disappeared from the face of the earth. Extinction of microorganisms. Microorganism Hansen's bacillus. Microorganism Mycobacterium tuberculosis. Microorganism smallpox virus. Microorganism Hansen's bacillus. Extinction of plants. Modern extinction. Oceania. Europe. Asia. Americas. Africa. Prehistoric extinction. Pleistocene. Pliocene. Miocene. Oligocene. Oocene. Paleocene. Cretaceous. Jurassic. Triassic. Permian. Carboniferous. Few examples of extinct plants. Araucaria mirabilis is an extinct species of coniferous tree from Patagonia, Argentina. Trichodendron neste is an extinct species of flowering plant in the family Trichodendricae known from fossil leaves found in the early Eocene Depression stage Klondike Mountain Formation deposits of northern Washington state. Dilophyia is an extinct monotypic genus of flowering plant with a single species. Aves milleri, an extinct species of fir known from fossil remains found in deposits from the early Eocene Depression stage in Washington state, USA. Argyfractus is an extinct genus of herbaceous aquatic seed plants with 3 known species. Cooksonia is an extinct grouping of primitive land plants. Extinction of animals. What we've lost, species extinction timeline. The animals represented above are only a small selection of the species that have gone extinct since 1600, but they give a sense of the enormity of what we've lost, and what, with the dawn of species revival science, we may stand to regain. This timeline of extinctions is an historical account of species that have gone extinct during the time that modern humans have occupied the Earth. The following is a selective list made by sampling a very small proportion of some of the well-known extinct species in the recent history. 10th millennium BCE. Ninth millennium BCE. 8th millennium BCE. 7th millennium BCE. 6th millennium BCE. 5th millennium BCE. 4th millennium BCE. 3rd millennium BCE. 'The Cape Lion. 2nd millennium BCE. And 1st millennium BCE. Second millennium CE. 14th century. 15th century. 16th century. 17th century. 18th century. The moa was one of the largest birds that ever existed. 19th century. Quagga. 20th century. 1900s. The thylacine was exterminated into extinction. (1940s). The great auk was hunted for its down until its extinction around 1844. 1950s. 1960s. 1970s. 1980s. 1990s. The passenger pigeon, which went extinct in 1914, had at one time been very widespread. 21st century. question is, are we supposed to be happy that our grandchildren will never be able to see plants and animals except in a picture book?